The Kano State Police Command has taken 123 drivers to court for allegedly driving vehicles with missing, concealed, or defaced number plates under an operation known as Operation Clean Plate. Many people may see this as a simple traffic enforcement exercise, but is there a deeper security reasons behind this crackdown? Let's analyze it critically together. 1. What happened? Akahi News gathered that the Kano State Police Command has arrested 123 motorists for allegedly violating number plate regulations and subsequently charged them to court. The police explained that the operation was launched to prevent criminals from using unidentified vehicles to commit crimes and escape detection. During the operation, officers also intercepted a suspect and reportedly recovered firearm, suspected cannabis, a knife, lithium batteries, electric cables, and a suspected stolen vehicle. 2. Why this story matters. This story is about much more than number plates. Security agencies rely on vehicle registration numbers to identify suspects, trace stolen vehicles, and investigate criminal activities. When vehicles operate without proper identification, it becomes easier for criminals to move around unnoticed and more difficult for law enforcement agencies to track them down. That is why the police insist that this is a security issue, not merely a traffic offense. Let's go more critical. The reported recovering of a firearm and other suspicious items during the operation suggests that enforcement exercise like this can uncover crimes beyond traffic regulations. However, effective law enforcement must always go hand in hand with professionalism. Take note of that and let's pay attention and continue. Motorists who obey the law should not be subjected to harassment or, most importantly, extortion, while those who violate traffic and vehicle registration laws should be treated fairly and in accordance with due process. Security operations earn public trust when they are firm, transparent, and respectful of citizens' rights. Take note of that. Number 4, what this means for Nigerians. This operation sends an important message to motorists across the country. Proper vehicle registration is not simply about complying with government regulations. It is also about making it easier for security agencies to protect lives, recover stolen vehicles, and investigate criminal activities. Every law-abiding vehicle owner has a role to play in strengthening public safety. And finally, the prosecution of 123 drivers should remind Nigerians that small acts of non-compliance can have wider security implications. If consistently and professionally enforced, measures like Operation Clean Plate can make it harder for criminals to hide behind anonymous vehicles. At the same time, the police must continue to ensure that enforcement remains lawful, accountable, and free of abuse. And to my viewers and listeners, what do you think concerning this report? Do you support tougher enforcement against vehicles with concealed or missing number plates? Or do you think the government should focus more on tackling violent crimes than traffic-related offenses? Please, I want you to share your opinion in the comment section. And don't forget, if you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Akahi News. For a full dose of this report, you can visit akahinews.org. Thank you for watching. I am Joseph Yeji.